This video demonstrates the backend management of the site we've created. Editing content within the site is straightforward and fun. Even non-technical creators can easily handle this task, as the whole thing is based on modifying content within the page builder. To begin editing the page's content, go to the site's backend. Then select a builder from the left menu. As you can see, on the left there is a list of elements that are placed on the page, and on the right you see the live preview of the changes. Assuming that you want to edit some section, for example, important information for residents, you need to find the elements that point to this section on the left side. You can notice that the elements we hover are marked with a blue frame in the preview. Let's move on to editing the header. As you can see, I edited the content on the left, and the change is visible simultaneously on the right side of the screen. It gives us a real-time preview of everything we're doing. You can verify the changes before you save them and before these become visible on the page. Going with the flow, now let's edit the tiles on the page, which are created using the grid element. You can modify the title or add a caption without any problem. You can also edit the description text of each box. You can easily change or remove the image. Add alternative text. Or change the link to which the tile should take you. Instead of a new image, you can use one of the ready-made icons. To confirm the changes, simply click on the Save Layout button. You can make such changes on the home page and any other subpage. For example, let's assume you want to change the Contact tab. On the right side, click on the menu item for this page. As you can see, the content of the left side panel has been updated accordingly. Now you only need to select the element you want to edit. In this case, we edit the contact details of the municipality. You can change the content of each element on any subpage on the site just in the same way. As an example, let's see the element of the team's presentation. Each person is a separate item, and you can edit it as quickly as any other content. For more information, please visit our website.